NDC is enhancing retailing, helping airlines and travel sellers get creative with tailored offers.
NDC allows us to provide more personalized content, just what travelers want. Did you know that with Air France KLM NDC, travel agencies can offer unique bundles to stand out?
We are already making these creative airline bundles available for travel agents with NDC.
These bundles combine air ticket with extra options. With NDC, you can select a trip which contributes to lower CO2 emissions using fare families combined with sustainable aviation fuel.
Travel agents can access the SAF bundle via NDC in the Amadeus travel platform, which helps reduce the carbon footprint by contributing to buy SAF directly in the order. Details per passenger show the sustainable aviation fuel amount before booking and is reported in the PNR.
Similarly, before actually completing the booking, bundle seats offer the best available seat, tailored to customers' needs and its frequent flyer level. Business travelers might prefer front section seats, while leisure travelers may choose rows of 2 seats for more privacy.
Bundling these services in the same booking flow is easier than selling the air ticket and ancillary separately.
And it can go up to 10% discount on seat options. Plus, NDC allows Air France KLM to provide more personalized travel experience with innovative offers for travel agents.
Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join thousands of travel agencies. Start booking NDC today.